everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laurence, and today I'm going to show you how to use something like a compact CD or a compact mirror that you may have, around the house in a way that you can just use it as your document camera. So if you're a student or a teacher or anyone who wants to show what you're working on your paper, or maybe on a page from a book, or maybe something that you're doing on your whiteboard and you wanted to show that to, let's say, your audience or to your teacher. So this is something that you can do without even buying anything. I know, like, there's those kind of different kinds of document cameras, even like Osmo and so on, but this is something just very ingenious to do and very easy to make. So here we go.
Start off with the compact mirror first. So what you need is actually a rubber band. So I have this rubber band. This is quite like the big type, or large type. So I've got two for better support. I know that there's those like thicker types rather than this. So what you're going to do is that you're going to put it over your laptop just like so. Okay. And just to make sure not to cover the camera, because that's the one that you're gonna be using. And then I have here my compact mirror. Okay, so there you go. I have it there. Okay, so there you go. That's my compact mirror. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put it just like so. So there's this, like a slot behind. So I'm just gonna put it there to make it hold. Okay, now let's try to use this if it works for our Zoom. So let's say you're going to have a Zoom meeting and you're going to have this. So let's open that and see whether it works, because these are the common video conferencing platforms that's being used. Okay, so that's me just right there. Now I'm just going to move it just like so. And there you go. Okay, so if you have a document, let's say, or that you want your students to actually have a look, and what you're going to do is that you're just going to put it over that. So let's say, for example, I have this document and I'm just going to put it right so, and the students can actually see that. There you go. And let's say if you want to answer, make a sample answer. So let's say 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Let me take out my whiteboard. You can just put that in. So if you're a student and you want your teacher to see what you're working on, so this is something to let your teacher see that you are working on your work. So for example, if you're making some working, let's say 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, and there you go. Or if you would like to write something there, hello. So for Zoom, that works. And if you're done, you just move that up and your teacher can see you just like that. Okay, so let's try this hack for your Google Meet. Okay, so I'm just gonna end this. End the meeting, and let's move on to, I don't want to record that. So okay, so there you go. So this is for Google Meets. So my camera is on, so I'm just gonna allow that, allow to use my camera. Let's see how it works. So, oh yeah, it's just perfectly right there. Okay, so same thing. If you would like your teacher to see what you're working on, you can just do that. Or if you would like to record and send your teacher what you have been working on, so you can just click on that and it will record what you are doing. So it works for Google Meet, it works for Zoom. Okay, that's great. Now let's try and see how it works for your CD. Okay, let me just test if it works and can view me. Okay, there. All right, so tried and tested. So that's how you're going to use a compact camera as a document camera, or compact mirror as your document camera. So now let's try to test using your CD. Okay. Well, now let's try to do it with a compact CD. So you just need a pencil, just like so, any pencil will do. And actually I have a blue tack. Now I've seen a hack actually like just like so, but they use a cellophane tape. So I'm just gonna use a blue tack to make it more secured because I've tried it a while ago with the cellophane tape and it's kind of like flimsy. So I'm gonna use a blue tack. So I'm just gonna secure it behind. So just behind your laptop, you're just gonna put it like that, just like this. Okay. Make it secure. All right, there we go. And then with a hole, okay, from your CD. Okay, so the reflective part should be like facing down. The reflective part should be facing down, just like so. And then the hole, you're just gonna shoot it up just like that. So the thing about this is that you still have to secure it with your hands or maybe like do something with it. So this is something that you can do maybe temporarily if you need to like just show like a short work to your teacher. So let's try to do it with Zoom. Okay, so I'm gonna open my Zoom right now and let's open the video cam. Okay, so there you go, it works just like so. So same thing, if you want to show your teacher what you're working on, then you can just like show it just like so. There you go. Now you just have to make sure that your setting is mirror, okay, so that the numbers or maybe the letters wouldn't look like it's not reversed, but like it's mirrored. So you just have to check the setting. So for Zoom that works, but like I said, you got to secure it with your hand. Okay, let's try it with Google Meet. Okay, let me just end this meeting. Okay, let's try to go to our Google Meet. So I've got it all set up here. Just gonna switch on the camera. Oh, perfectly fine. There you go. So that's how to use a CD, okay, and a compact CD and a compact mirror as your document camera. And if this helps, please give me a thumbs up or a like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.